Hey guys, welcome to my video. Today's video is going to be the unboxing of my January 2021 Darn Good Yarn Box. The Darn Good Yarn Box is a subscription service that you can buy monthly. There are different tiers that you can buy, and I have the $10 tier. The $10 tier comes with one thing of yarn and then a mystery item that is different every time. This video is not sponsored in any way. I buy this every month with my own money, and I love unboxing it on camera with you guys to show you what I got, but also to give my genuine reaction, and I love hearing feedback from you guys on the things that I get every month too. So let's go ahead and get started. This vibrant green is giving me spring vibes, and I absolutely love it. So let's go ahead and open my box. Oh, I love when I get yarn like this. So I did a wrap-up review of all the yarn that I got last year in each box, and I did make a note that you don't get many like this where it's like the hank of yarn that's very long. You usually get little cakes, and these are always beautiful and speckled like this with different colors. So I love getting these when I do get them. They are absolutely gorgeous. They all look like this, but they're obviously all different colors. This pink one is beautiful. I love it so much. So it's going to tell you the weight of the yarn. Oh, it's called confetti. That's so cute. I love that. And the little tag is going to tell you about the yarn. Usually, yeah, it has the tools that you can use with the yarn for like the weight and everything. This yarn is so cute. I always love getting these. So let's see what our mystery item is. I have no idea what this is. Is it like a piece of fabric? Let me see. Spring florals, cotton, fat quarter. I have no idea what that means. I'm guessing it's a piece of fabric. The fabric is very cute and springy as well. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this, but maybe use it as some sort of decoration in my craft room. It's very cute, and definitely I love the colors. I love how the colors sort of match with the yarn too. Like they kind of go together. It's very, very cute, very pretty. So yeah, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this, but I can let you guys know maybe in an Instagram update or something, but it's very cute, very pretty. Can't wait to see what I'm going to do. Then in every box, you get a little booklet. It's going to tell you about the yarn. You can see how it was made. It's going to tell you about the yarn, about the gift. Oh, let's see. Yep, it's okay. So it's to line a bag. Ooh, okay, okay. That's awesome. That's such a great idea, actually. Okay. It's going to tell you about the club, give you a knitting pattern. Oh, it gives you a little bag. That's so cute, actually. And then a crochet pattern with a little bag. Okay, I love how it like all goes together. That's adorable. And a sewing pattern for the fabric. That is so great. This box is actually well thought out. I love that. So yeah, I guess that is going to be it. That is my January box. So I did want to let you guys know at the end of the year, I am going to be doing another wrap-up video for 2021. I thought that was so fun to do the 2021. I'm going to have that linked up in the cards if you want to watch that one. But I thought it was so fun to see all of the items that I got all together and like what I was doing with them and if they were worth their money and all that. So I am going to be doing another wrap-up at the end of the year. So subscribe so you can see that when I get to it. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.